In this video we're going to take a look at an awesome watch from Festina. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech and Cars. I'm Marcus and today we have something really special to unbox and explore. It's a watch from Festina. It's the one you see behind me on the screen. I've actually been neglecting Festina watches. I don't know why, but I do regret that now because they have some really cool watches. I mean, I've known that the brand existed, but I've never really shown any interest. So this is the first Festina watch for me. So let's dive right into it. First things first, let's take a look at the packaging. The Festina F20439 comes in a sleek blue box with the Festina logo on the top. It already gives you a sense of luxury and elegance with this box because it's sturdy, and you can tell they've taken great care in presenting this watch in best possible way. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. Ooh, you have the warranty information. Let's put that to the side. And you have the watch. Look at this, guys. I mean, incredible, don't you think? I think it's presented in a great way in this box. And if we take a look at the watch, I mean, the first thing that strikes me is the weight. It feels substantial, and there is a sign of quality craftsmanship on this watch. It features a stainless steel case, and you have this beautiful green dial. The attention to detail is impeccable, I mean, on this one. Truly a nice piece. And this is actually not that expensive. It's between 175 to 250 euros, depending on where you look. Currently on the Festina website, it's out of stock, and but I've seen this on a few sites, so you can still buy this watch. However, they have replaced this one, I think, with something else. And the main difference between the new one is, I think it's the date window and the lack of a local time hand. And that brings me on to the tech specs, of course. So the F20439-3, it has a chronograph functionality. You have start stop, you have reset, and you have a crown in the middle. And date window there at 3 o'clock, it's really nice. And the watch band or bracelet, it's also made of stainless steel, ensuring that durability and this timeless look. And least but not last, you can configure a second time zone using this hour hand, which is great if you're traveling a lot. So yeah, it's glaring. I think it's really nice. I guess this is a good way of having it so you can see the dial really good. So this is the F20439-3 with the green dial. Let's take this out of the box and put the box aside. And we still have some plastic on the watch because it's new. Let's take that off. And you have a tag, of course, the Festina tag. On this tag it says 179 euros. I guess that's the list price on their own website. But I've seen this for way more. And you have Festina here on the bracelet, the logo, and you have a locking mechanism here. And On this one I still have all the links, so it might be too big for my wrist. But here's the Seiko Solar Watch beside the Festina F20439. And the weight is really nice. You have a screw back case here. And let's talk about the case. It's 44.5 millimeters in diameter. It's stainless steel. The watch band width, it's around 24.95, I mean almost 25 millimeters. And that's also made of stainless steel. The movement inside the watch is Miyota FS16, you can Google that. And the water resistance is 10 ATM. So you could actually go swimming with this Festina watch. Truly amazing how good this looks. I mean, for the money. Awesome. So let's do some measurements here and see if the tech specs is real. Let's see if we can get a good measurement of the case here. I mean 44.5 it's said in the manual. I think it's a bit, it depends where you measure, it's a bit more. I mean, if I measure between the crown and the reset button for the chronograph and slightly offset, I get something like 46.6. But if I measure more on the top, on the dial here, on the top here, I get 44.3. So it's somewhere in between, 44.5. I mean, it protrudes here on the side, as you can see. So it's probably slightly bigger. I would say 45. Average 45 here. So it's not a small watch. You should be aware of that. And the watch band here at the top, I mean the lug width, it's, let's see if I can do it. Oh, yeah, 24.73 millimeters. So almost 24.95, depending where you measure, if you measure between the lugs or just here close to the lugs. And the lug to lug width, let's see what that is. It's around 48.6 millimeters. Yeah, it's a great watch. Don't I mean, I'm not working for Festina or anything. I bought this watch, but it's truly a nice piece of watch. And here you have it, folks, the Festina F20439 unboxed. I'm very impressed with the craftsmanship and attention to detail. So if you are in the market for a reliable and stylish timepiece, this might just be the one for you. So let's wrap up the video. So here you have it again, the Festina F20439-3. A really nice timepiece, nice work Festina. I mean, it looks awesome for the money you have to spend. Chronograph functionality and a possibility of configuring a second time zone. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. And until then, stay classy.